Most elbow pain is just a simple tendon problem that we can fix with exercise. But there are 5 specific scenarios that if you wait and see, you can end up with a worse medical condition. In this video, I'm going to give you the 5 clinical red flags that means you have to stop doing your exercises and possibly drive to the doctor or even to the emergency room. I've had patients who think they just tweaked their arm while gardening only to find out that their life was at risk. I've had to tell patients to stop their PT session and go consult their doctor. And I want you to have the same clinical radar at home. The first red flag is if your elbow is throbbing, looks like red beet, and feels hot to the touch, especially if you have fever, that is an emergency. You might have septic arthritis on your elbow. It's an infection inside the joint that can eat through the cartilage and bone. If your skin is hot and you feel sick, don't wait for your PT appointment. Go to the ER. Red flag number 2 is you might have a heart attack. And this is how you can tell. Our nerves are like cross wires. Sometimes a heart attack can manifest as a radiating pain down the left arm. If your elbow hurts, but it gets worse when you take a deep breath, when you lie down, or it's accompanied by chest tightness, then it's not your elbow. It is most likely your heart. In this scenario, call 911. Red flag number 3, if you have numbness or tingling on your pinky or ring finger, or if you find that you're dropping your coffee cup, your ulnar nerve might be the problem. If this is ignored, the muscles on your hand can actually waste away permanently. This is called atrophy. And once those muscles are gone, it's hard to get them back. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to our channel. If you felt a sharp pop in the front of your elbow when you were lifting something heavy, and then you see your biceps muscle bunch up, you might have a biceps tendon rupture. That means that your biceps muscle has detached from the bone. Your arm's gonna look like the arm of Popeye the Sailor Man after he eats his spinach. The danger here is after the initial sharp pain, the pain often fades into becoming a dull pain, and you would think that it's just a strain. And if you don't get this surgically repaired, the muscle can retract so far that the fix becomes more difficult. Red flag number 5 is if you have a soft, squishy lump at the tip of your elbow that can grow to the size of a golf ball. This means that you have an infected bursa. The danger is that this sac is a magnet for staph infection. If that lump starts turning red or the redness starts spreading down the forearm, you can be at risk to sepsis. If that golf ball feels like it's on fire, go see a doctor today. Now, if your elbow pain isn't an emergency, but it still doesn't want to go away, watch the next video.